Latest winter storm started as a mist yesterday afternoon and then picked up in intensity overnight. By this morning, depending on where you live, it was either heavy snow or steady rain. 22 News reporter Jillian Andrews is live in Westfield with a look at conditions right now.
Yes, Rich, the snow continues here in Westfield, in between the valley and the hills, that medium level of elevation. It's finally starting to accumulate. It took a little while for it to change over from rain to snow, but here we are. And the roads have also become more dangerous in these areas. MassDOT tweeted just before 10:30 this morning that the state has 242 pieces of equipment deployed here in western Massachusetts. This equipment is operating on highway districts 1, 2, and 3, patrolling, plowing, and treating the roads. On Route 90 between New York and mile marker 32 in Russell, speed is being reduced to 40 miles per hour. Before heading out, you can check conditions online at Mass 511 or by calling the number 511. We spoke with people traveling by Blandford this morning about those conditions on the road.
It's really bad right now. The roads are, very slick.
For us truckers, it's not just so much, the weather. It's the four-wheelers, because they're not experienced drivers, and they take the roads for granted, and they slip out, and it puts everybody in danger.
National Grid has advised that today's conditions could result in power outages, so stay connected and try to keep that phone charged. While these conditions on the road are poor, try to stay in if you can, but if you do have to go out, make sure to take it easy. Working for you in Westfield, Jillian Andrews, 22 News.